Hello friends, welcome to Nihira Designs. In today's episode, I am going to show you latest fancy sarees in organza and organza crepe. If you like any of our products, please take a screenshot of the product and kindly send us on our WhatsApp number 9538703432. We do free shipping all over India, and for international shipping, the shipping charges will be based on the zip code and the weight of the product. Products will be shipped in 1 or 2 days of ordering, and the tracking details will be shared the next day after dispatch. Let us see the first design. The first design is organza digital printed saree. This is the saree in light sky blue color with all over floral prints in digital print. This is the blouse for the saree. The blouse is a raw silk blouse with sequins and zari embroidery throughout the blouse. This is in Rani pink color, and the saree is all over print. Even the pallu is also a floral digital print. The length of the saree is 5.5 meters and the blouse length is 80 centimeters. And the price of the saree is $9.95 free shipping throughout India. Let us see the next color. The next color is bright orange color with floral print throughout the saree. These are digital prints, and the blouse for this saree is, this is the blouse in Rani pink raw silk blouse with sequins and zari embroidery. You can see the blouse. The length of the saree is 5.5 meters and the blouse length is 80 centimeters. The price of the saree is $9.95 free shipping throughout India. Let us see the next color. This is the next color. This is a light purple color, very beautiful color with floral prints throughout the saree. And the saree, this also has a raw silk blouse. This is the blouse in Rani pink, and this is a raw silk blouse with sequins and zari embroidery throughout the blouse. This is how the saree and blouse look. Very pretty colors, and these are semi party wear sarees. The price of the saree is $9.95 free shipping throughout India. If you like any of our product, kindly take a screenshot of the product and send us on our WhatsApp number 9538703432. Let us see the next color. The next color is dark grey color, very nice color with very beautiful floral prints. You can see the saree. These are digital prints, and for this saree also we have a raw silk blouse in Rani pink color. This is the blouse with sequins and zari embroidery. You can see the blouse. The length of the saree is 5.5 meters and the blouse length is 80 centimeters. This is how the saree look with blouse. Very beautiful color. The price of the saree is $9.95 free shipping throughout India. Let us see the next color. This is the next color. Very pretty color. This is a light bottle green color. You can see the color with very simple floral prints. These are digital prints throughout the saree. And for this, the blouse is again a raw silk blouse in Rani pink color with sequins and zari embroidery throughout the blouse. You can see. And this is how the saree look with this blouse. Very pretty one. And the price of the saree is $9.95 free shipping throughout India. If you like any of our sarees, please take a screenshot and send us on our WhatsApp number 9538703432. And we have another color in this. This is the color. This is a light violet color, very light violet color. You can see the color with floral prints. And this saree also has a raw silk blouse. This is the blouse with sequins and zari embroidery. This is how the saree look with blouse. And these are all semi-party wear sarees, so you can comfortably wear for simple occasions. The saree is also soft and easy to drape. The price of the saree is $995, free shipping throughout India. Then let's see the next color. This is the next color. This is a nice little bit darker peach color, not very dark. We call it as gold spot color. This is how the color is with beautiful prints. And let us see the blouse for this saree. This is the blouse with sequins and zari embroidery. And the price of the saree is $995, free shipping throughout India. And then we have the last color in this design. This is the last color. This is a light orange color, very light orange color. This is the blouse in Rani pink with sequins and zari embroidery. You can see the blouse, you can see the embroidery also. And the length of the saree is 5.5 meters and the blouse length is 80 centimeters. These are semi-party wear sarees, and these light colors will be very good for evening parties or evening occasions. And very lightweight saree, so it is very comfortable to wear also. The price of this saree is $995, free shipping throughout India. Let us see the next design. So the next design is organza saree with all over embroidery. This is the saree. This is the first color in this. This is a light greyish color. It's a grey and silver combination with throughout heavy embroidery. I'll open and show the saree. This is the saree. This is the pallu of the saree. Very neatly work done. You can see the daman, the borders also. Very intricate work and neatly done. The pallu of the saree will be very heavy. And I will show you the body also for this. This is the body of the saree. This is the body. You have two side borders for this saree with complete heavy embroidery, floral embroidery these are. And the blouse for this saree is, it's a plain blouse, raw silk blouse. Plain raw silk blouse in grey color. Price of the saree is $1595, free shipping throughout India. Let us see the next color in this. We have another color in this. This is the next color. This is a beautiful light yellow color, lemon yellow color it is. You can see here how beautiful it is. It's a light lemon yellow color with diamond heavy embroidery. The borders you have heavy embroidery with neat intricate work. I'll open and show you the saree. This is how the saree is. So you can see nicely embroidered borders, and the body is also heavy embroidery. This is the pallu. This is the pallu, and then this is the body. This is the body of the saree. And for this, you'll get a plain blouse in yellow color and raw silk. This is the blouse. The price of the saree is $15.95, free shipping throughout India. And viewers, if you like any of our products, please take a screenshot of the product and send us on our WhatsApp number 9538703432. Next design, I am going to show you the latest fabric in the market. This is called organza crepe. Everyone might knowing about the crepe sarees and organza sarees, but this is a combination of organza and crepe sarees with beautiful cutwork embroidery done throughout the saree. See here, very soft saree, and it's a falling material just like chiffon and georgettes, and very comfortable to wear in any of the seasons. This is the first color in this saree. This is a light parrot green color. It's a pastel color, and this is how the embroidery. This is the cutwork embroidery with floral thread embroidery in the borders, and small flower embroidery, flower booty embroidery throughout the saree. I'll open and show you the saree. Let us see. This is very soft. See here. This is the pallu of the saree. This is the pallu. The borders are the cutwork borders. See how intricately done. And along with this you have a floral border also. Very beautiful. This is how the saree pallu is. I'll show you the body for this. This is how the body is. You can see here. Throughout the saree you will get this cutwork border on both the sides. And the blouse for the saree is a plain blouse. It's a running color in green, the same light parrot green. The price of this saree is $18.50, free shipping throughout India. Let us see the next color in this. The next color is very nice turquoise blue color. It's a nice turquoise blue color. This also has a cutwork border with floral embroidery and cutwork embroidery in the border. This also has a small floral booty embroidery. You can see here throughout the saree. This is a nice turquoise blue color. This is also organza crepe saree. This is how the saree is. You can see here. I'll open and show you the saree. It's a very nice turquoise blue color. See how the saree is. This This is the saree with nice cut work border. See how the saree is looking. This has small flower motifs also. The complete saree is with thread embroidery. Nowhere jari is used. And this is the blouse for the saree. It's a plain blouse in turquoise blue. And this is the body of the saree. This is how the body is. The price of the saree is 1850, free shipping throughout India. Let us see the next color. The next color is very nice light peach color. You can see here, it's very nice light peach color. It's a pastel shade with cut work embroidery and with thread embroidery and small floral embroidery booties. Let me open and show you. This is how the view of the saree. This is the pallu of the saree with both sides. This is the upper side of the saree with cut work border. And the lower part also you have the cut work border, two sides border. And in between you have a small floral embroideries. And this is the pallu. See how beautiful it is. Let me show the blouse for this. This is a plain blouse in light peach color. It's a running color for the saree. And this is how the saree body is. You can see here. This is the body of the saree. The price of the saree is 1850, free shipping throughout India. Let us see the next color, the last color in this design. This is also very nice color. See how beautiful it is. This is a light haldi color. Very pretty color with cut work border and the floral embroidery with small floral booties in the middle part of the saree. Let me open and show it to you. This is the pallu of the saree. This is the pallu, two sides cut work border with the floral creeper embroidery, and in the center you get a small floral booties, and the other side also is a cut work embroidery. You can see here. And this is the pallu part. And let me show you the blouse and the body of the saree. This is a blouse in plain color, plain blouse in light haldi color. It's a self color blouse, and this is the body of the saree. This is how the body is. That's all for today. Today I have shown you organza digital sarees, and then organza sarees with heavy embroidery, and organza crepe sarees with cut work borders. Hope you liked our collections. If you like any of our collections and if you want to place order for any of our products, kindly take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on 9538703432, and we'll get back with your inquiries. And subscribe our channel and hit bell icon to get our latest updates. Thank you.